Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is another maternity pregnancy video. So I'm actually doing another haul. You might have seen my last Amazon maternity haul slash Walmart where I showed you really affordable basic pieces that I really needed and they've been really great so far. So I'll link that below. Just for reference, I was a size medium, pre-pregnancy around an 8. And then a lot of pieces I would get are the same size in maternity. I might go up to a large if it's like a bottom or if I'm like don't want it to be too tight. So I wanted to do another haul. I actually have another one after this, but I wanted to do a haul because I have some summer vacays come up. And I don't know about y'all, but whenever I have like a vacation, I want to buy new clothes. So since I am, let's see, I'm almost 26 weeks pregnant, I definitely wanted to get some cute maternity stuff for these upcoming hot beach vacations I have coming up. So this haul is from Boohoo. I've shopped with them probably a handful of times. They have really affordable stuff. It's always like a 60% off sale, so I can't resist. I did pay like $10 in shipping, which I'm like so spoiled when it comes to Amazon Prime free shipping. But it was coming from the UK, so I spent like $10 in shipping and it still took 2 weeks to get here. So FYI, and I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. So I got a bunch of stuff that I thought would be really cute for like summer, vacation, beach wear kind of stuff. So I'll go ahead and show you guys and I'll try it on for y'all. So I haven't opened these things because I just haven't had any time. I've had family visiting and it's just been sitting in this bag waiting for me to do this haul. Okay, so I pulled up my the pricing to show you how much everything costs because I did get a bunch of stuff on sale. Okay, so this one, I can tell it's the red is a bathing suit because I bought this maternity bump control wrap over bathing suit in a size US 12. So I went bigger with the bathing suit. Hopefully it fits. It's $10.88, which is really good. I've been looking for bathing suits on Amazon. They're like in the $30 range and I got one and I didn't like it. So I was like, let me see if I can get one on sale and I can always return these if I don't like them. I think you have to pay return shipping, but it's still worth it. So this is it right here. Oh, it looks big. Oh shoot, y'all, it looks really big. Should have gone. I don't know why. I have like this paranoia of like a swimsuit being too teeny tiny, but it looks really big. We'll see. Okay, so this is just a basic red. I always usually get black or black pattern bikinis, but I wanted to challenge myself and get a fun bright color. It has ruching on the tummy. It looks really like, you know, a nice classic red swimsuit, which you can pair with like cute little bottoms. This looks huge. Oh my god, please let this be. So definitely too big. Do you see all this loose fabric? All this loose fabric. So I actually like the bathing suit. I just wish I had gotten a smaller size. It's like a nice classic red. I like the color. I like the style, but it's just too big. So I'm gonna see maybe if I can go down. This is a 12. I should have maybe gotten like a 10 or an 8. So, but besides that, it's nice. It's just not the right size, so don't do what I did and size up. The next thing I got was a dress. It's the Maternity Nursing Ribbed Bow mini dress, and I got in a US size 10. So I got this one in a smaller size because it's stretchy, and I thought it was like a nice blue color. I wanted to get more blue things, potentially for wearing to like baby shower kind of events, maternity pictures, because I'm having a baby boy. And it's also a nursing dress, which is good. So it actually has little kind of like a cap sleeve, a little longer though, and this blue and white stripe, really stretchy, and it has this like tie in the front, so you can I guess undo the tie if you need to nurse. And it's just like a ribbed striped long. It looks pretty big too. I hope I did not oversize because you just never know at these kind of stores, but I wanted to feel cute in the summer and get a lot more dresses this time around. Okay, so this is that blue kind of midi length striped dress. So I think this is actually cute. The tie in the front, I had to like improvise my brando because it needs to be more of a V. But I think it's pretty cute. It's got like the midi length, so this is actually a good size I got the 10. So it's not tight. It's roomy. I like the sleeves. So I think this is definitely a keeper. Do you guys like it? I think it's really cute. Okay, I got a maternity maxi dress in black. It has a cold shoulder on it. This one was a size 8 $14. So again, I got smaller. I got from 12 to 10 to 8, but I figured this one would be like, it would be the right size, okay? Yeah, this one looks like a better size. This is just a great maxi dress. I love maxi dresses when you're pregnant. They're so cute. Has cold shoulder, which makes it a little cuter. I'd wear it with like a strapless bandeau, which I have on. And it's long and easy breezy. I like that there are straps holding it up, and like some arm coverage because I am a little self-conscious about my arms. And then this would be great as a makeup artist outfit. So this one was very, very affordable and a great basic, and I think I could wear this after, and it was only $14. Okay, black maxi dress. This is definitely perfect. The little straps hide the part of my arm that I don't like, and it's not adjustable, but this is just right. I think it looks good on the boobs. It fits like right here, so it's a little bit, this elastic though I will say is not super stretchy. Like it stretches just to a certain point. So I'm gonna wear this while I can, and the length is actually perfect on me because it hits the floor, my feet, but not that dragging on the floor. So as you can see, it's like a perfect length. I love these kind of outfits because like you just don't have to worry about it. Like maybe I'll throw on a necklace, some sandals, and I'm good to go. So loving this one, keeper. This one is the Maternity Lettuce Edge V-neck bodycon dress. So again, another black basic dress. I like this one because it has sleeves and it's a midi length. I got in a US size 8, $11.66. I would wear this again to makeup artist stuff, to work. I like dresses because you can just throw them on. They're easy. I have these like maternity shorts in nude and black that cover the tummy and they cover the thighs and they kind of smooth everything. And I like to wear the underdresses too because it helps prevent me from being all chafy and sweaty. Okay, so this is pretty much a really basic ribbed dress. It has a little scallop on the sleeve, so it makes a little detail, but it looks a little bit thin, so you definitely need to wear something under it. So a little bit of stretch, not as stretchy as some of the other ones. Okay, so this is the short sleeve lettuced trimmed mini dress. This was so hard to get on. It doesn't really stretch, so once I have it on, I like the way it looks. Like it hits at a good length. It's very shapely to the body, but man, it was hard to get on. Like it doesn't really stretch. So maybe I should have gone up a size, but I think it looks good once it's on. I don't know though. It's not as comfy as other ones, and when you're pregnant, it's not as comfy as other pieces, and when you're pregnant you want stretch, you want comfort. I guess I could, but this is a cute, like would be a cute with a statement necklace going out dress, but this will not last till the end of my pregnancy because it's so tight. Like right now it's cute, so I'm not really sure about this one either, but I think it looks good on. This one I was excited about. This is the Maternity Tie Shoulder Leopard print maxi dress. And I thought this was such a cute print. I love leopard. A size 10 is what I got. I think I got a size 10 because I saw the material was polyester and not like stretchy. We'll see. So there are certain leopard prints that I think look kind of tacky, but this one I like. So it's a spaghetti strap. Ooh, the spaghetti strap you have to tie together, so it just fell down. So I thought this would be a really easy one to wear with like a black little kimono, like cardigan or jean jacket or not, and really easy to wear, really easy for vacation. So I'm excited about that one. Okay, so this is the Maternity leopard print dress. The material is a little cheap, kind of scratchy and thin, but I think it's nice and easy. The straps you do have to tie. For me, it's a little teeny bit long, but if I wear heels, it'll be okay. I wish the material was nicer, but I feel like this is such an easy outfit to wear that I would just keep it just because it's like an easy throw on. And I would probably, like I say, wear it with like a little cardigan or a jean jacket. So this is it. The only thing that sucks is that you have to wear a strapless bra. And I only have one that kind of works right now. So yeah, leopard kind of maybe, we'll see. And that one was $14 and a size 10. So I also got myself a new Robe and Sleepwear, like a set. So I thought I could wear this to vacation because we do, like I'm sharing an Airbnb with my friends and one guy, and I didn't want my like boobies all exposed, so having a robe tied on top helps when like I'm wearing my pajamas, because my boobs are just big and my nipples are just protruding. So I thought this would also be really good as a cute nursing or a cute hospital outfit. It's black and white, so it won't show like stains and stuff. It's a size 10. I paid $24.88 for this, $24.88 for this nursing nightie and robe set. It's not as soft as I thought it would be actually, but let's see, it's a robe, and the robe is a little bit longer, so it goes to like midi length, black and white. I purposely got black just in case, because when you are in the hospital, fluids is all I'm saying. So it's short sleeve, and it has a crossover, which is nice for nursing because you can pop the boob out, and it's long, it's really modest. So I kind of got that, like I said, for vacation because we are staying with one guy. And I just don't want it to be like titties out. Okay, so this is a nightgown and robe. I think it like fits well, but the material is just not nice. It's like rough feeling. It has a little bit of stretch, but it's rough, and I could tell like the black, like if you pull it, it just looks faded. And I like those like silky jersey kind of nightgowns, or a soft cotton. Sleeve is a little bit tight. I don't know, I don't think I'd want to just like hang out in the house around in this. It looks nice, but it just doesn't feel nice. So it's really important to have like soft fabric during like pregnancy, because you just want to be comfortable. So I think this one's going to go back, and it was the most expensive anyways. So this one I got specifically because it's like summer beach wear. It's a maternity tie-dye playsuit, like a short romper, size 10, $14. This one is like has shorts, so hopefully it doesn't like ride up, you know. It should have room because it's maternity and, you know, room for the belly. So it's pretty thin. This would be something I would probably wear like over a bathing suit. This would be cute with a little like colored kimono, just to kind of give more arm coverage. I don't know, it looks a little small. We'll see. We shall see. But great to like throw over a bathing suit at the beach. Easy breezy. So let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, so this is that romper. So it actually fits pretty good. It's very thin and lightweight. So here's the belly. The shorts aren't too short or too tight. So I think this is pretty comfy. Like I said, more like beachwear. It's very like almost pajama-y. So, but great for vacay. Quick little outfit. We'll see. I think I'll probably keep this just because it's like, I like the pattern and it's comfortable. So that is it for my Boohoo haul. Which pieces did you guys like the best? I definitely am keeping the blue and striped dress and the black maxi. I love those pieces, and the other ones, I'm not so sure. So let me know which one do you like and which ones I should keep. I have another haul coming up, which is hopefully getting delivered soon from Shein. I know that's another popular affordable maternity clothing option, so stay tuned for that. And definitely check out my link to my Amazon favorite store for my pregnancy favorites below. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.